How to draw Sonic vs. Knuckles, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by simply drawing the nose of Sonic on the right hand side of the page. The nose will look similar to a small oval. Now connected to the nose that we just drew, we're going to draw an outline of the bottom portion of the face, so we're going to start right here and connect all the way around to the other side of the nose. Now on the inside of that blank space, we're going to draw the mouth by using a couple simple small lines. Now once we're all done with that step, the next step will be to draw the outline of the eyes along with the eyes themselves. So let's go right above the nose on the left hand side of the face, and let's draw a big curvy line. Nicely done. Now on the left hand side, there's an opening. Let's go ahead and close off that opening by using a simple curved line going down. Now on the inside of the outline, we're going to draw the actual eyes themselves. Beginning on the right hand side, we're going to draw a shape that looks similar to an oval. We'll do this for both eyes, and on the inside of the shape, we're going to draw a big circle with a small circle attached to it. And now let's do the same thing on the left hand side. Now above each of the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows by making simple curved lines. The left eye will have a curved line attached to it, with the right eyebrow just being drawn right above. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Next, we're going to draw the ear right here in this area by drawing a simple triangle shape with an outline around the top. It's a good thing that we drew the ear because we're going to draw the hair next, which will connect to the ear. So we're going to draw 3 big pieces of hair starting from this eyebrow. To draw the hair, we're just going to use really big long curved lines. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now for the last step of drawing Sonic, we're going to draw the left ear right above the left eye. Nice, so far we're making great progress. Now we're going to move over a little bit to the left and draw Knuckles by first drawing his nose. We want to make a small shape that looks similar to a circle. Now a little to the left of the nose, we're just going to draw a slanted line going straight down. This line will help separate the hair of Knuckles from his face. Now we're going to want to draw the bottom of the face similar to how we did for Sonic. So we're going to want to connect the line that we just drew right here all the way over to the nose by using curved lines. Now on the inside of that blank space that we just made together, we're going to draw the mouth by making a sideways oval shape with a zigzag line in the center. Nice! Next we're going to draw the outline of the eyes, so we're just going to want to make a line right on the left hand side that is slightly curved. Now attached to that line, we're going to draw a second curvy line that will be the outline of the two eyes. And to close off the right eye, we're just going to draw a line going down. Now on the inside, we're going to draw the eyes, similar to how we drew Sonic's, although Knuckles will be a little bit smaller. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so that we can continue to grow our drawing community together. So since we filled these eyes in black, we can go ahead and do the same thing for Sonic's as well. Just be sure to color in the bigger part of the circle that's blank, and out the smaller part. Now above each of Knuckles' eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows by using a simple curved line. Now we're almost done. For the last step of drawing Knuckles, we're just going to draw the hair. So we're going to make one big curved line right here, and we're going to make it connect all the way around to the other side. From there, we're going to draw the pieces of her hair. In total, we should have 4 pieces of Knuckles' hair. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Sonic vs. Knuckles, and if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like. We upload new videos every single day, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Thanks for drawing with me, and great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.